Hi everybody. Today we have the WoveN Sound acoustic panels. If you've ever wanted to bring that high-end luxury boutique hotel vibe into your bedroom without the contractor price tag, you need to check out these. The WoveN Sound Artisan acoustic panels. We use the interlaced arc style to completely update our headboard look, and the transformation is unreal. Because we have 9-foot ceilings, we planned out a layout using 4 panels stacked vertically running from the top of the baseboard straight up to the top of the window line. Before sticking anything down, we laid the panels out on the top of the bed, moving them around until we found the absolute perfect pattern flow. From there, we started right at the bottom, carefully peeling back the industrial adhesive layer and affixing them to the wall. When we hit an electrical outlet, we used a quick installer's trick. We removed the paper from the backing only in the specific area and took the screws out of the outlet. Pressed the panel up against the wall, and the outlet stuck perfectly to the back, allowing us to easily trace the outline and make a clean cut with a very sharp utility knife. The entire process of installation took us less than 30 minutes. The authentic wood veneer instantly gave the space a premium upscale look, and because they're lab certified acoustic panels, they absorb room echo to make the bedroom feel incredibly peaceful and quiet. The WoveN Sound acoustic panels. Check them out for yourself.